previous video we have discussed few programs on for loop. Today also I come with few programs of series on for loop. So your first series is you have to print like this 1 comma 11 comma 111 comma 4 times 1 comma 5 times 1 up to n. So now I have taken util package import java.util.string class. I have taken series, so I will write like class series public static void main string args. Int I have taken I comma n. Now scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in n is equal to sc dot next and your semicolon. Here I will take the n as user input. Now for I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to n, I is equal to I into 10 plus 1. Now system.out.print and I have printed here I. So what will happen in this program? First the value of I is 1. It will check I have inputted n as 4 times 1. Now value of I is 1. It will check 1 is less than is equal to 4 times 1, condition is true, so it will print here I. The value of I is 1, so it will print 1. Now it will go to this part, updation part. Now I is 1, 1 into 10 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Now the value of I has become 11. Now it will check whether 11 is less than is equal to 4 times 1, condition is true, so it will print here I, which is 11. Here value of I has become 11. This will remain same. Now the value of I is 11. Now 11 into 10 plus 1 is 111. Now the value of I has become 111. It will initialize the value of I as 111 and it will check whether 111 is less than is equal to 4 times 1, condition is true. So it will print here 111 because value of I has become 111. Now again it will go to this part, updation part. It will become 4 times 1. It will initialize value of I as 4 times 1. Now I is less than is equal to n. Now 4 times 1, it is not less than but it is equal to I is equal to n. So condition is true. So it will print here 4 times 1. Now your next program is for n terms. Your series is 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16 and your 22. Now I have taken util package import java.util.string and semicolon. Class name again I have taken series. You can take any name, class series. Public static void main string args. I have declared and initialized these variables int I comma n comma a is equal to 1 comma b is equal to 0. Now scanner class I have taken for taking the user input of n. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, n is equal to sc dot next int and now semicolon. Now for loop I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to n and I plus plus. Here I have applied this a is equal to a plus b and system dot out of print a plus and your space b plus plus. So what is happening in this program, we will understand this in the output section. First the value of I is 1. I have initialized a as 1 and n I have inputted 7. Value of b is your 0. Now what will happen? First the value of I is 1 and I is less than is equal to 7, that is 1 is less than is equal to 7, condition is true. So it will go to this part. Your value of a is 1, v is 1, 1 and b is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So in A, now A has become 1. So it will print here 1. So it will display here 1. And in the next step, value of B has been increased. So B has become now 1. B has become 1. N will remain same. In A, it is 1. And I has become 2. Now you can see value of I has become now 2. Now 2 is less than or equal to 7. Condition is true. Now value of A is your 1 and B is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So in A, 2 will come and it will print here 2. Now in the next step, B will become 2. It will print here 2 and B has also become 2. Now value of I will increase by 1, it will become 3 and A has become 2. Now you can see here I, 3 is less than or equal to 7, condition is true. Now A is 2 and B is also 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. In A, 4 will come, it will print here 4. And again, now in the next step, value of B will become 3, value of I will become 4 and value of A will become 4. Now you can see again, it will check 4 is less than or equal to 7. Again, B is your 3 and I is your and A is your 4. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Now in A, 7 will come and it will display here 7 and value of B will increase by 1, it will become 4. A has become 7 and I has become 5. Now again 5 is less than or equal to 7. A is 7, B is 4. It will become 11. So it will display here 11. Next step, B will become 5. I will become 6 and it will become 11. So you can see here 6 is less than or equal to 7. It will print here 11 plus 5. It will become 16. Now B will become 6. It will become 7. It will become 16. Now again 7 is less than or equal to 7. It is not less than but equal to 7. So condition is true. It will print 16 plus 6. It will become 22. And in the next step, when the value of I will become 8, condition will become false because I have taken here n is equal to 7. So it will come out of the loop and it will print the series up to 7 terms only. Thank you, students.